Taking a movie of it. I can't get very close up on this camera. There's another one coming the other way. Yeah, just coming past the trees now.
Yeah.
See, it says City Cat on the front. Can you
Do
see?
both. Do both with a movie, okay?
Alright, yeah. Can
Do
you,
both with a movie.
can you see the blue front on that boat? See the blue front of the one? See the people standing on it?
Yeah.
And in front of the people it says City Cat. Can you see those words?
Yeah.
City Cat.
Okay. Did you take a movie?
Oh, look at the waves. See how the boat's going through the waves?
Yes.
Now, watch the river walk. See the river walk down here? It's going wobbly. It's going to go really wobbly in a minute because that boat's gone fast past. And when they go fast, they make big waves. Now, with a bit of luck, that river walk will go wobble wobble. See the waves coming over to the river walk? See how the river walk's going up and down a bit? See the jetty going out to the river walk and it's just wobbling like that. And your cousin Will calls that the wobbly bridge. And so if we get some time we might go for a little walk down the wobbly bridge. Just in case. Do you want to feel the wobbly bridge? It's like being on a boat. Because you feel the waves. And there's the little one, the little baby ferry.
Take a movie of it too.
Alright.
Then let me look at the movies. Oh, there's some. Is that going fast?
Yeah, and it's not too bad.
Is it
The big city cats go faster.
We're just still wobbling it a little bit.
Yeah. The river's brown today because of all the rain that's been happening.
No.
Usually not that brown. And that little one's called a city ferry. Because it ferries people up and down the river. Like carries people inside it.
Like, meow, meow.
Yeah, like the city cat does that.